A Canadian Commission report has said there is no definitive link with a foreign state in the killing of Hardeep Singh Nijjar. Back in September 2023, if you remember correctly, Trudeau had claimed that Canada had credible evidence that Indian agents were involved in Nijjar's murder in British Columbia. However, this report, titled Public Inquiry into Foreign Interference in Federal Electoral Processes and Democratic Institutions, which was released on Tuesday, suggested that while India may have spread disinformation following Justin Trudeau's claims, there's no conclusive foreign link to the killing that's been established. So the latest Canadian Commission report has said there was no definitive link with a foreign state in the killing of Khalistani separatist Hardeep Singh Nijjar. Back in 2023, the Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau had claimed that Canada actually had credible evidence that Indian agents were involved in Hardeep Singh Nijjar's murder on Canadian soil in British Columbia. However, this latest report that's been released on Tuesday, which is titled Public Inquiry into Foreign Interference in Federal Electoral Processes and Democratic Institutions, this suggests that while India may have spread disinformation following Justin Trudeau's claims, no conclusive foreign link to the killing was established. My colleague Maha Siddiqui has been tracking all the finer details for us. She joins us live at the moment. Maha, so the Canadian Commission report says there's no definitive link with a foreign state in Hardeep Singh Nijjar's killing?
Yes, this is the Hague Commission report, the Commissioner report rather, wherein 100 witnesses' testimony was recorded over a period of 16 months. And this followed a report by the intelligence agency that had in fact put out some startling comments, and one was with regards to the foreign interference, alleging that there was from India as well, to which now the Hague Commission report that is now out has clearly mentioned that there is no definitive link to any foreign state that could be proven. However, this is unlikely, Parmeshwar, as we see it from here at the moment, to improve the ties between India and Canada over this issue specifically. This is because the same report in a later part, where it discusses in detail the Hardeep Singh Nijjar killing and the aftermath of that in terms of the diplomatic relationship between India and Canada, says that the terms of reference for this report did not allow them to go into transnational repression of Canada, and that it gives the government the leeway, in fact, to respond to any such situation based on the realities that they have basis other reports as well. So in this case, and if you read the entire report, even though at one part it clearly says that no definitive link was proven to any foreign nation, any foreign state, but on the other hand, still giving the leeway to the government to act on other reports as well. And the report that we will mention here is the report by the RCMP, that is the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, that had also given a report. One of the elements of the report had suggested persons of interest, in this case specifically the Hardeep Singh Nijjar killing, basis which Canada had expelled 6 Indian diplomats, and in response, India had done the same with Canada.
Right. As always, Maha, thank you so much for joining us with the lowdown.